In front of me is REALME GT8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on System and Update. Then tap on Input Method and select Autofill for Google available here. Now tap on Google Password Manager and hit Add Password at the top. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before and you need at least one to add it manually from device's settings. To fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords is enabled. Log in to any website or any app that has an account. And after you log in, you will see pop-up from Google Password Manager. All you need to do is hit Save, and your password will appear here. Now you can add any other one manually. Choose Add Password. Click on the Site section to input any website, or tap on Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!